Welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do a form letter mail merge using Microsoft Word. Now, whenever you do a mail merge, you're going to be working with two documents. One document is called your main document, and the other document is called your data document. The main document, in the case of a form letter, is going to be the actual letter that you wish to merge. The data document is going to be the list of names and addresses that you want to include in the mail merge. So you're going to always have two documents completed, your form letter and your data document. If you haven't set up a data document before, we have another video that will show you how to set up a data document in either Word or Excel. Now, I've gone ahead and set these two documents up ahead of time. And I'm going to go ahead and open up my form letter. And I'm just going to go ahead and there it is right there. I'll click open. And here is a sample of my form letter. And you can see in the form letter I left some room for the address block right up here at the top. There's also a spot to put dear and then the person's first name. So this is the letter that I want to use. So I'm going to begin here. Now again, your data document should already be created and saved on your computer. You should not have that data document open though. The only document you should have open is your main document here. So once I have this document open, I can come here to the Mailings tab in the ribbon. Now, to start the mail merge, you're going to come here to the Start Mail Merge section. And basically this is going to be really simple because you're just going to follow the ribbon left to right through the different steps. The first step is clicking on Start Mail Merge here. And this will let you choose what kind of document you want to create. In our case, we want to do a form letter. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Letters. Now nothing happened there to confirm that choice for you, but you have told the computer that this is a form letter mail merge. The second step is going to be to choose the document that has the data that you wish to merge into this document. The names, the addresses, all that good stuff. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Select Recipients. And we're going to use an existing list. And again, this is the most simple, straightforward way to do a mail merge. And again, I'm going to go ahead and open up my existing list. And it's a Word address list. And again, if you haven't set up a data document before, we do have a video on doing that. So I'm going to go ahead and open that up. So now you've said this is a form letter, and you've also told the computer where the data is. Now, the data for your mail merge should be in that other document, and it should be complete and edited. If you wanted to go ahead and make a quick edit, you do have edit recipient lists, but you're going to find more consistent and lasting results if you just simply open the document up and edit it directly. But you could click here and come in and make some edits in this dialog box. The place this dialog box really helps you though is with sorting and filtering information. And you can see right now there is no real order to the data that I'm using in this mail merge. But I could really quickly click on the word last name there to sort them in ascending order. I could do the same thing for state, zip. So it's really easy to sort these items. If you wish to exclude somebody from the mail merge, you can also check and uncheck their boxes right over here. And there are more things that you can do with this dialog box that we'll talk about in another video. But again, the two most common things that people want to do here, one is sort the list, and the other is exclude records, which you can uncheck the boxes there and do that. So I'm going to go ahead and click OK there, and I'm back in my main document. Now I left myself some room here to put the address block for this letter. So I'm going to come right here and I'm going to click on address block. And you can see the way the name is going to be formatted here, and you can also get a preview of the way the name and the address are going to print out there. I'm going to click OK there, and you're going to see that address block is placed right there. Now that's actually a field. It's not the text that's going to be used. It's just a field. And you can always tell whether something's a field or whether it's actual text by clicking on it. And you can see when I did that, it sort of highlighted itself in gray. You can also see the range operators on either side of that. Now we wanted to say dear, the person's first name, and then a comma. So what we're going to do is, you could use the greeting line there, but we're just going to pull the first name out of that. So I'm going to come here to Insert Merge Field. Again, I've clicked where I want that field to go. Insert Merge Field, and I'm going to select first name there. You'll see again that field is placed in there. And then I'm going to click at the end of that row and type a comma because I want a comma to come after that. So we've said put an address block here and place the first name here. Now we're ready to go ahead and preview to see how our letters are going to actually look. So I'm going to click on Preview Results, and there is the address information and the first name replacing the fields that we inserted in the document. If I click on Preview Results again, it turns that off and brings me back where I can begin editing and working on this. So maybe if you put the wrong field in, you could come back in here and take care of that. Or you could choose a different recipient list if you wanted to. But my preview looks good, and this is the way I want it to look. So I'm going to go ahead and click Finish and Merge. You also, if you have Adobe Acrobat, you have an option to finish and merge to an Adobe PDF file instead of to a Word document. But I'm going to come here to Finish and Merge, and I'm going to say Edit Individual Documents. And it's going to ask me which records I want to merge. I want to merge them all. I'll click OK there. And now we have another document open that has all of that information inside of it. You can see there's our second name, there's our third name, so on and so forth. That's all there is to creating a form letter with a Word mail merge.